To make your Tri Hexaflexagon, after you cut out your pattern, it's going to look like this. You're going to fold along this center line. So fold along that center line. And then you are going to fan fold along the triangles. So forward, backwards, forward, backwards, forward, backwards, forward, backwards, until you have one triangle. Mine has already been folded, so it was easy to fold. You may need to pause the video. When you unfold it, it's going to be kind of twisted. So you're going to flatten it out. We're going to have your numbers. So lay it like this. You're going to count over 3 triangles. 1, 2, 3. And you're going to fold this under. So you should have 3 threes and a star. And you're going to count over 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fold this over. When you fold this over, you have 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, this 2, and this star. Take the 2 and tuck it under this one here. So now you have 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2 stars. When you fold this one over, all threes are on the same side. So you can either glue these pieces down, or you can tuck in this star into the pocket of that one and fold this over so that you have all threes. The other side is all ones. And you can tape along this edge here. Stick a little piece of tape inside and bring it over. All right, so now you have your shape here. You can fold it like this. This is the easiest way to get it to flip. Fold it like this. If you hold the sides that are open, so see how these two are open? You can find the corner and it flips there. Same thing. Find 2 sides, so not the same piece. See, there's no opening here. Here there is. Hold that. Fold into a triangle. Once again, you can, easier said than done here. You can grab that center. Grab the center and flip it. And it will continue to fold out from inside itself.